Hello and welcome to the first episode of PTE Tutorials, your go-to podcast for everything about the Pearson Test of English, brought to you by PTE Tutorials. Today, we are going to make understanding the PTE exam super easy, especially for our listeners who are just starting to learn English. The PTE is a computer-based exam with three separate sections: speaking and writing, reading, and listening. First, we have the speaking and writing section, which lasts from 54 to 67 minutes. This segment evaluates your ability to use English in various situations. It includes tasks like personal introductions, read aloud, repeat sentences, essay writing, and more. Now, when it comes to scoring, the speaking and writing section is assessed based on several criteria, such as content. They look at the accuracy and relevance of your responses. Form. Specific requirements like word count must be met. Oral fluency. They assess how smoothly and naturally you speak. Pronunciation. Clarity and correctness of the speech sounds. Grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and written discourse, where they consider the accuracy and range of language used. Now, moving on to the reading section, which lasts approximately 29-30 minutes. This section assesses your comprehension skills through tasks like reordering paragraphs, filling the blanks, and multiple choice questions, including single and multiple answers. For scoring, in the reading section, correct answers are awarded points. But be cautious, as points are deducted for incorrect choices in multiple choice questions. However, partial credit is given for partially correct answers. Lastly, we have the listening section, which spans from 30 to 43 minutes. It includes tasks like summarizing spoken text, highlighting correct summaries, and fill in the blanks. This section tests your understanding of spoken English in various scenarios. Scoring in the listening section is similar to reading. You earn points for correct answers, but deductions apply for incorrect choices in multiple choice and highlight incorrect words task. And yes, partial credit is given for partially correct answers. Now, let's talk about some key points regarding the PTE exam format and rules. The entire exam takes about 2 hours 10 minutes. You can take it at a test center or through a home edition. What's unique about the PTE is that there is no limit to the number of attempts. You can retake the test after a 5-day interval, giving you multiple opportunities to achieve your desired score. Speaking of scores, the PTE uses a scale ranging from 10 to 90, aligned with the global scale of English. Your overall score is not just an average of the 4 communicative skills, but takes into account various language skills, including grammar, oral fluency, pronunciation, spelling, vocabulary, and written discourse. These skills are evaluated across various tasks and contribute to your overall proficiency rating. Your score report will include the overall score and individual scores for communicative skills, that is, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Additionally, you'll receive a skills profile that assesses your performance across 8 categories of language skills and provides suggestions for improvement. The PTE Academic uses a computer automated scoring system, ensuring fairness and accuracy in the evaluation process. Keep in mind that certain question types carry more weight in the overall scoring system, significantly influencing your total score. So, that's a wrap on today's guide to PTE exam. Remember, preparation is key, and understanding the format and requirements of the exam can greatly enhance your performance. Thank you for tuning in to the PT Tutorials podcast. You can also find us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Do not forget to follow us there. Stay tuned for more informative episodes. Until next time, keep learning and exploring. Thank you.